I'm today in front of me HTC Desire 628 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature in Muviz app application on this device. So first we'll unlock the device and now we should launch the Muviz Edge application, and here we got set the mirror rain tab on our always on display feature. So on the right upper corner, tap here to the settings icon, tap to the AOD mode, and here as you can see we can change the shown our always on display mode on our lock screen always, or we can switch it to the while the charging, or also for example when you only just listen to music we'll stay with the always one. Here you can set the timeout. We can just change it to the 50 or to the never, or just to stay with a half hour. Also we can change the brightness of our always on display feature. Here also we can just change to the close on by double tap on our screen, or to the single tap. For example, we'll change to the single tap. Here you can just show the music if you will play some music on your device. You can just turn on this option to see which song the device playing. Also by the same way we can enable the notifications and the music details. Also we can just here set the time where the notifications and music will hide. Also here we can just turn on the date and the battery status. Now we got always, we can change it by the same way like the always on display mode to the while charging and to never. And now we'll just go back, and that's how it looks. So that's how we can customize the always on display feature on our device. And thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.